Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and doing well in this pandemic situation. Now you must be aware about the fictional characters of Aladdin and his wish fulfilling genie. Even most of us have such wish fulfilling genies in our life who are our family members, friends, or any other special person. I, Professor Sujit Saundartikar, working as assistant professor in Decatur's Textile and Engineering Institute, am here to introduce to you to the genie in the engineering field, which is very diverse and versatile, the mechanical engineering and opportunities in it. Here are the contents of my presentation. Today, we just can't imagine our life without the mechanical engineering, as you can see from these images. So, from basic needs of human beings to the comfort products, mechanical engineering is everywhere. The mechanical engineering has technologically developed from Industry 1.0 to Industry 4.0 with more multidisciplinary approach including Internet of Things, robotics, artificial intelligence, and the same can be seen in the evolution of cars too. The role of mechanical engineer is to take the product from an idea to the marketplace. The steps in this process and the areas where mechanical engineer can find a job include the concept design, material selection as per requirements, design, analysis, production or manufacturing, assembly and quality control. Under Make in India theme, companies and major players like Bosch, Mercedes-Benz, etc. are investing in India, and there are enormous mechanical startups too. These are the domains of mechanical engineering where you can find yourself a place to make a career. Let us discuss them one by one in detail. Production includes industrial engineering and mechanical engineering skills apart from mechatronics, economics, and business management for producing best quality products at optimum cost. The advances in production engineering include robotics, smart foundry, multi axis machines, 3D printing, and flexible manufacturing system. Automobile engineering is concerned with design, development, fabrication, and testing of vehicles and later marketing them, and include the advances like hybrid car, smart or driverless car, and autotronics. Metallurgy is the domain of material science and engineering that deals with technology, physical and chemical behavior, and mixtures of metals. It includes foundry, composites, nanomaterials, rapid prototyping, and biomaterials. CAD is the use of computer technology for design and design documentation, while CAM is the use of software to control the machine tools and the related ones. The latest advances in CAD CAM engineering include laser scanning and reverse engineering. Mechatronics is recently added to mechanical engineering and is an integration of mechanical, electronics, electrical, and computer engineering. It can be a great career option for girls opting mechanical branch. Advances in mechatronics include Internet of Things, medical robots, artificial intelligence, biomimetics, hyperloop, and machine learning. This is an example of a new age industry involving high level of intelligence and quality products with negligible or least human intervention. Now this is another booming area which is Internet of Things and which requires an active participation of mechanical engineers as well. The aerospace engineering is concerned with development of aircraft and spacecraft, while marine engineering includes design, construction, and maintenance of vehicles and structures like boats, ships, oil rigs, etc. including piping and the control systems. Thermal engineering includes design, analysis, manufacture, and maintenance of heat exchangers, air conditioners, refrigerators, and similar machines which deal with temperature. Maintenance engineering finds application in refrigeration and air conditioning, hydraulics and pneumatics, foundry and machine shops, and maintenance of many more such systems. Now, these are the applications of various mechanical engineering domains that we have just discussed and include food and packaging applications, sugar industry applications, defense or military applications, agriculture applications, home and industrial automation applications. These are the job positions for the mechanical engineer, which include various departments like design, production, test inspection, maintenance, automotive, commissioning, automation, marine and naval, product development, machine tool, solar, plant, sales and purchase, structural, R&D, quality control, validation, ergonomy, and the aerospace department. Now, a question might come to your mind that whatever I have learnt in the last 4 years of engineering, where should I apply it? Or what are the job opportunities for me where I would get a suitable job or my dream job, and what would be the packages for these jobs? Now, let's talk about it. You have two options for the job as private and public or government sector. These are few of the famous global brands wherein you can plan to work, which include Audi, Bentley, BMW, Ferrari, Fiat, Hyundai, Maruti, Mitsubishi, Tata, Renault, Rexroth, Pari, Tata Power, Bharat Forge, Thermax Limited, Amazon, and these are some more global brands which hire the mechanical engineers. These are some of the major local organizations who hire the mechanical engineers, and which include Kirloskar, Mayura Steels, Menon Bearings, Sound Castings, KPT, Supercraft, Shakti, Technovision, and so on. The annual packages at the global level industries usually start at 4 lakhs, and at local level it is about 2 to 2 lakhs per annum. Now, these are your options for the government sector, and apart from this you can have a career as RTO, Indian Army, Air Force and Navy officer, or can pursue MS at some reputed foreign universities, or can become a successful entrepreneur. Now, this is the era where a particular engineering branch can't work in isolation, and so this slide shows the convergence or the use of mechanical engineering and its integration with other engineering fields like textile, computer and IT, electronics, and electrical. To conclude, your future is in your hands, so choose your branch and career wisely. Think wise, think mechanical, which is today, tomorrow, and forever. Thank you.